It's so beautiful. Fresh fish, fresh fish, fresh fish here.
Wow, I want to buy it.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your money. Okay, let's go home. First, we're going to use vegetables. Hi's my pufferfish. Slice it. Sugar. Fish sauce. Curry powder. Lemon. Stir it. Oil. Onion. Stir it for the socket. Now add carrot and red pepper. Whipping cream. Stir it. And our main dish. Coriander. Okay, perfect. It looks so delicious. Time to eat.